It's a ship. A huge ship.
What was that?
Stay calm. Calm minds make good decisions.
Hi, I'm Sreeja, and I'm Neil. Welcome to Sreeja and Neil Daily English.
Let's learn English with easy stories.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Like this video.
Thank you.
We're here! I can hear the ocean. Look, Grandma, the water is so blue.
Yes, my dear, it is very beautiful.
Neil, bring more water for the tower. Okay, I'm coming.
Hold it tight, Neil. Let the wind do the work.
It's flying. Look, Grandpa.
This one is very pretty. Keep it safe.
I will put it in my bag.
This is a perfect evening.
Yes, let's remember this moment.
There's a hurricane warning. We need to prepare.
Neil, help me close this window.
Okay, Mom.
We need enough water for everyone.
I packed the flashlights too.
Stay close. We will be safe together.
The storm is getting stronger.
Let's move upstairs now.
I'm scared, Dad.
I know. Hold my hand. We're together.
Is the water going to stop?
It will pass, dear. Storms always pass.
What was that?
Stay calm. Calm minds make good decisions. It's a ship. A huge ship.
We're safe. Just breathe.
Is it over?
Yes, it's over now.
No signal. No electricity. But we have each other. Here, take some water. You need it too.
Rescue will come. We just need patience.
One at a time, please. You're all safe now.
Thank you. We really survived that.
A strong family is stronger than any storm.